Hi guys, it's your host Shuvo. Welcome to Creative Art. Today we're going to discuss about Ttest. So let's begin. So first we will learn what is Ttest. The Ttest is used to test hypotheses about means when the population variance is unknown, the usual case. Ttest is developed by Ttest for the quality control of beer. There are three types of Ttest: single sample, independent samples, and dependent samples. Single sample T, we have only one group. Want to test against a hypothetical mean. In independent samples T, we have two means, two groups. No relation between groups. For example, people randomly assigned to a single group. Independent T, we have two means. Either same people in both groups, or people are related. For example, husband-wife, left hand right hand, hospital patient and visitor. Today we will show how to perform independent Ttest using Excel and SPSS. So let's begin. Okay, first we need to open MS Excel. To conduct Ttest we use earning per share data of 10 banks and 10 insurance company. First we select data option. Then click data analysis. From the data analysis option menu we scroll down and we can see three types of Ttest. From them we need to select Ttest, to sample assuming unequal variances. As we conducting independent Ttest we select this option. A new diagram open. In variable 1 option we select all our bank data including level. In variable 2 option we select all our insurance data including level. Below this we can see hypothesized mean difference option. In this option we put 0 if we have our assuming difference. We may also put that here. Otherwise 0 would be appropriate. In level option click here. Then press OK. That's it, we get Ttest result in a new worksheet. Now we can give explanation based on the result. In this case, here Ttest result is 0.004, which is below T critical to tail 1.998. Moreover, p-value is more than 5%, that means p greater than 0.05. Hence we find there is no significant relation between bank and insurance companies' EPS. Thus we reject H and accept HO or null hypothesis. For better understanding, show another Ttest using similar method. This time we use bank and insurance companies' debt-to-asset ratio. Similar step need to follow. Here we get Ttest for debt-to-asset ratio of bank and insurance company. Now we can provide explanation of these results. Here Ttest result is minus 2.02632, which is greater than critical T value 2.008. Moreover, p value is less than 5%. That means p less than 0.05. Thus we believe there is significant difference between bank and insurance companies' DA ratio. Hence we accept HA and reject null hypothesis. Hope you all enjoy today's Ttest tutorial. We will back soon with our next tutorial where we will discuss how to conduct independent Ttest using SPSS. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Till then, bye bye.